Key number 14. Temperance. To this key is attributed the intelligence of probation, trial. This refers to the testing through which every aspirant must pass before he can reach the heights of initiation. Its object is to determine his temper or strength. Thus, you will see that temperance refers to the act of tempering, or the making of a properly balanced mixture. It has a distinct reference to equilibration, for the initiate must be perfectly balanced with reference to all of his vehicles. He no longer goes to extremes, but has mastery of the pairs of opposites, because he invariably chooses the middle path between two extreme courses of action. The rainbow represents the differentiation of light into colors by means of water. The angel is androgynous and represents the higher self. He wears the symbol of solar energy upon his brow. The seven-pointed star on the breast represents the works of man, because the seven-sided figure cannot be drawn geometrically, but requires the aid of measuring tools. The fire from the torch falls upon an eagle, symbol of water, and the water from the vase falls upon a lion, symbol of fire. Thus we see a representation of the union of opposite forces in opposite directions. The twin mountain peaks of wisdom and understanding, and the crown above them represents the primal will. Number 15, the devil. To this key of grotesque and terrible aspect is attributed mirth. The devil is that horrible character of exoteric dogmatism which is so ridiculous to an enlightened person. But deeper than this, the figure represents the delusion of outward appearance. Key 15 is the opposite of key 6. Hence it shows what happens to us when we fail to use our faculty of discrimination. The ancients declared that the devil is God inverted. This refers to the conception of matter as opposed to spirit, though the truth is that they are both aspects of one thing, as is so graphically symbolized by the interlaced black and white triangles familiar to every student of occultism. The black background is a symbol of darkness and ignorance. The inverted pentagram on the brow of the devil symbolizes mental inversion, since it is the sign of man in reverse position. Thus it symbolizes falsehood and